Welcome all. This is our lecture 28 of the subject Law for Engineers, and our today's topic is Patents Act 1970. The Act 1970 came into existence into 1970 and came into force after 1972. It has some historical background that has accepted nearby 1911 and have some amendments also in 2005. So let's start the topic. Patents Act 1970. The patent system is a contract. It's like a contract between the inventor and the authority. The authority is like a government or a agency where you will file your patent, and the inventor who is the creator of any particular design or any program, etc. Whereby the inventor gets exclusive rights for a period of 20 years in returns of disclosing full details of the invention. Here, this thing is clear. The patent is granted for the limited period, that is 20 years. 20 years, it has some changes also. For utility patents, the period is 20 years, and for the design purpose, the patent is for 15 years. We will discuss it. The main purpose of patent system is to encourage innovations and eventually results in technological development. As you can create any new thing, any new program, any new technology you are invented, then you should patent that particular. And if it found original, then the agency will grant a patent with your name, with some exclusive rights, and for a limited period of 20 years. Why it's for 20 years? Can I increase or can I extend this period? We will discuss later in this video. The present Patent Act 1970 came into force in the year 1972, amending and incorporating the existing laws relating to patents and Designs Act 1911 in India. The patent amendment, as we have discussed earlier, the amendment will come into force in 2005. India, wherein product patents was extended to all subjects of technology consisting of food, drugs, chemicals, and microorganisms. All things are covered in patents. Now, what are the requirements for grant of patents? What you must have to file a patent, and on which grounds the patent will be sanctioned with your name. The steps is as the first one is the application for patent shall be made at the Indian Patent Office. You have to file this application in the Indian Patent Office. Any person that is Indian or a foreigner. Here is a condition: the person could be a Indian or could be a foreigner also. Individual, that could be a company or a government, can file a patent application. The person applying for patent shall be the true and first inventor. This is the main requirement. The person who is applying, that should be the first inventor of the invention proposed to be patented. The patent application can also be made jointly, or maybe in any invention there are 2, 3 or more people are involved, then they jointly can file an application. The patent application shall primarily disclose the best method of performing the invention known to the applicant for which he is entitled to claim protection. Okay, the method and the process, all things you have to disclose in your application at the time of when you file the application. And the agency will check all the related things, documents. The applicant shall also define the scope of invention. What is the scope of that particular invention that's used for any business purpose, that is any utility or any design. The invention desired to be patented shall be new, should involve an inventive step, and must be capable of industrial application. Here is some, this is a new condition also. The patent should have some industrial application. Industrial application means the mass production or the new things can be generated for the betterment of the human being. This is the main thing. The patent application can be made for a single invention only. It means if you have some 2, 3 or any number of patents, then you must file them individually. Not all the patents can mention in one single application. Okay. Now you must have some questions regarding this. Then can we extend the patent validity from 20 years? Then the answer is no. In some special purpose, this can be extended. Otherwise, this period cannot be extended. Okay. Now the main question is that why the patent is for 20 years only, and why we cannot extend the period. The main reason behind this is that to limit the power of monopoly. If there is a product and the patent is belongs to any particular company and it's making their product, then the price level, the quality is all controlled by that particular company. So there is a condition that is called monopoly. Monopoly that could be in the market, and the company can increase the price, decrease the quality, and can do anything. So the patent date has some expiry, so that the particular company cannot acquire all the market of that particular thing. Okay, to provide a better understanding or a better competition between the players of the market, this is mentioned and cannot be extended. In some special purpose, that can be extended. So this is all for today's lecture. Prepare your notes and be in learning mode always.